What if I told you Yamaha has brought back one of the most iconic cruiser names with a modern twist that could completely change the cruiser segment in 2026? Well, today we're taking a closer look at the all-new Yamaha XV1100 Virago 2026. And trust me, this motorcycle is far more interesting than you might expect. At first glance, the Virago immediately grabs your attention. It has that classic long and low cruiser stance that motorcycle enthusiasts love, but Yamaha has blended it with modern design elements that make it feel fresh and premium. The sculpted fuel tank, the muscular profile, the exposed V-twin engine, and those beautiful chrome details all come together to create a motorcycle that looks expensive even when it's standing still. Now let's talk about what really matters. Underneath this stunning design sits a powerful V-twin engine that's designed to deliver smooth power and strong torque throughout the rev range. This isn't the kind of motorcycle that begs to be ridden at crazy high RPMs. Instead, it's built for effortless cruising, relaxed highway rides, and that satisfying pull whenever you twist the throttle. One thing cruiser riders always look for is comfort, and Yamaha seems to have taken that very seriously here. The riding position appears relaxed and natural, with forward-mounted foot controls, wide handlebars, and a generously padded seat. Whether you're riding across town or spending hours on the highway, the Virago looks like a motorcycle that wants you to enjoy every mile. And honestly, that's what makes this bike special. It isn't trying to be a race bike. It isn't trying to break lap records. It's designed to give you that pure motorcycle experience where the journey matters just as much as the destination. Moving toward the front, you'll notice the modern LED headlight setup. It keeps the classic cruiser personality intact while adding a futuristic touch. The lighting design looks premium, improves visibility, and gives the bike a distinctive appearance during both day and night riding. The instrument cluster is another area where Yamaha has clearly embraced modern technology. Riders today expect more than just a speedometer, and the Virago delivers with a sleek digital display that provides essential information in a clean and easy-to-read format. Whether it's speed, fuel level, trip information, or ride data, everything is presented in a modern way without overwhelming the rider. Let's also talk about the overall build quality, because that's something Yamaha has always been known for. Looking at the details, from the paint finish to the metal components and the fit and finish throughout the motorcycle, the Virago feels like a premium product. Every surface appears carefully designed, and nothing looks cheap or out of place. Another thing that stands out is the balance between classic and modern styling. Many manufacturers struggle to modernize legendary motorcycles without losing their original character. But from what we're seeing here, Yamaha has managed to preserve the soul of the Virago while updating it for a new generation of riders. Now imagine pulling up to your favorite cafe, a motorcycle meet, or even just a weekend ride with friends. This is the type of bike that people walk over to and ask questions about. It has presence, it has personality. And in a world where many motorcycles start to look similar, that's becoming increasingly rare. For riders who enjoy long-distance touring, the Virago also appears well-suited for highway adventures. The relaxed ergonomics, comfortable seating position, and torque-focused engine setup should make long rides feel effortless. It's the kind of motorcycle that encourages you to take the scenic route instead of the shortest one. And let's be honest, motorcycles aren't always about numbers on a spec sheet. Sometimes it's about how a bike makes you feel. The XV1100 Virago captures that emotional side of motorcycling. It has a timeless design, a commanding road presence, and the kind of character that cruiser enthusiasts appreciate. So, is the Yamaha XV1100 Virago 2026 worth getting excited about? Absolutely. It combines classic cruiser heritage with modern technology, premium styling, and the promise of a comfortable and enjoyable riding experience. But now I want to hear from you. If Yamaha officially launched this motorcycle tomorrow, would you choose the new Virago over rivals from Harley-Davidson, Indian, or Honda? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because we've got plenty more exciting motorcycles coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.